Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Breville filters is probably one of the most crucial components for any espresso enthusiast looking to elevate their home brewing game, as these specialized filters are meticulously engineered to work seamlessly with Breville espresso machines, ensuring optimal water flow, consistent puck saturation, and ultimately, a superior extraction that unlocks the full flavor potential of your coffee beans, transforming your daily cup into a cafe-quality experience right from your own kitchen. Number 5. IMPRESA 10 Coffee Machine Descaler. Restore your coffee machine to its optimal performance with our powerful yet gentle descaler. It effectively removes buildup while being safe for your machine and the environment. This custom-formulated descaler works with virtually all single-use coffee and espresso machines, not just Keurig. It's compatible with many popular brands. Regularly decale to eliminate mineral deposits that affect taste and can cause corrosion. This process significantly extends your machine's lifespan. Our descaler is suitable for a wide range of machines, including automatic, manual, pod, filter, and even kettles and water heaters. Get 10 cleaning sessions from one value-sized bottle. It's custom formulated and made in the USA, offering excellent efficacy at a great price. What we like. This descaler is highly effective at removing buildup and restoring machine performance. Its universal formula works with almost all single-use coffee and espresso machines, offering great value. If you have multiple types of coffee machines or are looking for a cost-effective solution that still delivers powerful cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. The filters are well made and fit perfectly into my Breville espresso machine. I appreciate the precision of these filters. They allow for consistent extraction and a great shot every time. The design is thoughtful, with a smooth finish and no sharp edges, making them easy to handle. Number 4. Essential Values Universal Descaler. Keep your automatic coffee maker and espresso machine performing at its best. Our powerful descaling solution removes mineral buildup effectively. This descaler is designed for a wide range of popular brands. It's perfect for DeLonghi, Keurig, Breville, and Nespresso machines. Trust in a product made with quality and care right here in the USA. Ensure your coffee maker gets the best treatment. Each bottle provides multiple uses, offering great value for maintaining your appliance. Enjoy consistently great-tasting coffee. Regular descaling prevents clogs and ensures optimal brewing temperature. Rediscover the full flavor of your favorite coffee. Simply follow the easy instructions to use this solution. It's a hassle-free way to keep your machine running smoothly. What we like. This universal descaling solution is made in the USA and offers a convenient 4-use pack. It's designed to work with a wide range of machines, including popular brands. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable descaler for your everyday coffee maker or espresso machine, this is a solid choice. What people say. The filters are a perfect fit for the Breville espresso machine, ensuring a tight seal and optimal extraction. These filters are well made and durable, holding up well to repeated use without deforming. The precision of these filters allows for consistent shot times and excellent crema, enhancing the espresso experience. Number 3. CleanEspresso Breville Cleaning Kit. Ensure your Breville espresso machine always brews the perfect cup. Our cleaning kit is designed to maintain its optimal performance and longevity. This kit comes with 40 powerful cleaning tablets. They effectively remove coffee oils and residue, ensuring a pure taste with every brew. It also includes 6 high-quality water filters. These filters reduce mineral buildup, protecting your machine and enhancing the flavor of your coffee. Specifically formulated for Breville espresso machines, this kit guarantees compatibility and effective cleaning. Keep your investment in top condition. Enjoy effortless maintenance and consistently superior coffee. With our cleaning solution, you can savor rich, delicious espresso every time. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for regular cleaning. It's the perfect way to ensure your machine runs smoothly and your coffee tastes its best. What we like. This cleaning kit is specifically designed for Breville espresso machines, providing both cleaning tablets and water filters. It offers a comprehensive solution to maintain your machine's performance and coffee quality. If you own a Breville machine and want a convenient, all-in-one maintenance package, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The filters are a perfect fit for my Breville espresso machine, ensuring a snug seal and preventing any leaks during brewing. I appreciate the consistent shot times and even extraction I get with these filters. They really help in achieving a balanced flavor profile. The build quality of these filters is excellent. They feel durable and are easy to clean, which is a big plus for daily use. Number 2. K&J Premium Replacement Breville BWF 100 Water Filters. These filters are designed to fit all Breville coffee and espresso machines, whether they are newer models or older ones. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. Our filters feature a micromesh material that keeps the activated charcoal securely inside. This prevents any clogging and ensures optimal performance for your machine. Experience the best tasting beverages. By removing impurities like calcium and chlorine with activated charcoal, these filters significantly improve flavor and eliminate odors. We care about the environment. Your replacement filters come in minimal, eco-friendly packaging, reducing waste without compromising on quality. Utilizing ultra-fine grain charcoal, these filters maximize water exposure for superior filtration. They are engineered to be the most effective filters available for your machine. What we like. These replacement water filters are designed to fit all Breville machines, ensuring a perfect fit. They feature micromesh material and ultra-fine grain charcoal for superior filtration, significantly improving beverage flavor. If you prioritize the best possible taste from your Breville espresso machine and want a filter that effectively removes impurities, this is the one to get. What people say. The filters are a perfect fit for my Breville espresso machine, making it easy to get a consistent shot every time. I appreciate the high-quality stainless steel construction. These filters feel durable and are easy to clean. The precision of the filter basket ensures even water distribution, leading to a superior extraction and crema. Number 1. Breville Espresso Machine Water Filter Replacement. Ensure your Breville espresso machine runs at its best with these perfectly compatible water filters. They are designed to fit a range of popular models, including the Barista Touch and Oracle Touch. Getting started is simple. Just soak the filter for 5 to 10 minutes and squeeze out the air bubbles. This quick step ensures optimal performance and a better tasting cup of coffee. Experience the true aroma and taste of your coffee beans. These filters reduce impurities like lime scale and chlorine, leading to a smoother, more delicious brew every time. Our filters use advanced coconut-activated carbon and ion exchange technology. They effectively remove harmful contaminants, ensuring pure water for the perfect flavor extraction. This package provides a full year's supply with 4 independent filters. For the best results, replace the filter every 3 months, easily tracked with the included dial. Crafted with care, these filters are made from FSC-certified paper. Enjoy premium coffee while making a sustainable choice for your home. What we like. This water filter replacement is tailored for specific Breville Barista Touch and Oracle models, ensuring optimal performance. It uses advanced technology to reduce contaminants and improve coffee taste, offering a year's supply. If you own one of the compatible Breville models and are looking for a high-quality filter that enhances your coffee's flavor profile, this is an excellent option. What people say. The filters are a perfect fit for my Breville espresso machine, ensuring a tight seal and consistent extraction. I noticed a significant improvement in the crema and overall taste of my espresso shots after switching to these filters. The build quality is excellent, they feel durable and well-made, which gives me confidence in their longevity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.